turn off the ignition. Pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You should now have access to the bulbs in the headlights. To increase their lifespan, we would suggest never touching the glass with your fingers or cleaning them carefully with paper towels before putting them back. To be able to access the bulbs, take off the plastic cover by pulling the metal fastening hooks upwards. Disconnect the dip beam bulb's electric connectors by pulling on it. To unscrew the bulb, you must simultaneously push and pull to the right in order to free the hook of the holding spur. Pivot the hook downwards, then remove the bulb. When putting a new bulb back in, you must carefully check that you put it in the right way round. Identify the location of the keyed connection, which can vary depending on the model. As you're inserting it, you must hold it with one finger while another searches for the hook to slip it back into position. Then reconnect the power connector. Unplug the power connector. To remove the holding hook of the high beam bulb, you must alternately push and pull the edges towards the inside. This should free the holding spur and should be done on both sides of the hook. When putting a new bulb back in, you must carefully check you put it in the right way round. Identify the location of the keyed connection, which can vary depending on the model. Flip the hook against the bulb and put them back in the holding spur one by one. Plug the connector back in. For the indicators, take the black plastic base and pivot it 1/4 turn to the left. To remove the bulb, press on it and make a 1/4 turn. Do the same but in reverse when putting the new bulb back in. To reassemble everything, put it back in the position you used to take it out and pivot it 1/4 turn to the right. Once all the bulbs have been changed, put the plastic cover back on and pull the metallic fastening hooks downwards. Operation completed.